Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space .. and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.